In a world where a tech billionaire discovers a method to upload consciousness, reshaping the essence of mortality, it's intriguing to delve into the lives of those who've shaped our digital age. One such individual is Larry Ellison, co-founder of Oracle and a perennial figure on the Forbes list of the 100 richest people. Beyond his technological contributions, a lesser-known fact about Ellison is his deep passion for sailing, a sport he not only indulges in but also dominates. He has won the prestigious America's Cup multiple times, showcasing his competitive spirit both on the sea and in the tech arena. As pioneers like Ellison continue to push boundaries, the convergence of technology and human essence presents a future where the line between life and legacy blurs. #TechBillionaire #Immortality #Consciousness Upload